Yeah, I'm going to explain about the uh, basic execution of login page with the JSP file, and it contains JDBC connection to it. And here I have executed the JSP files and the Eclipse IDE. This is the Eclipse IDE which I have installed in my laptop. Let's open it. And JSPDB is the folder which I have created for this JSP login page execution. In this we have the directory which is it contains the WebINF. In the WebINF folder we have classes, library folders. In the classes folder we have the login servlet.java program. Here the connection between the MySQL and the frontend is done over here. In the library, the connector.jar file is present, which connects the frontend to the backend, which is MySQL. And we also have the web.xml page, which connects the frontend to the backend. I would like to show the XML page. This is the XML page required for the JSP JDBC program. And this is the URL pattern. If the URL pattern is matched, then the connection between the frontend, which is login.jsp, and the servlet login servlet.java is established. And these are the three JSP files. The first one is login.jsp, which consists of the basic form, and it contains three components, username, password, and a submit button. And when we click the submit button, this page leads to the login servlet.java page. And the error.jsp displays the error message when the login when the connection between frontend and backend is failed, then it displays the login failed message. And the success.jsp displays the login success message when the connection between frontend and backend is established. And Eclipse is an IDE, so we can run the folder in the Eclipse only using the server. For running this program in server, we need the Apache Tomcat server. I have already installed this Apache Tomcat in my laptop. Here in the servers block, we can see the Tomcat server at localhost, and it also specifies that the server is started and synchronized. So now let's run the login.jsp file in the server. We have to right click and select run as. In this we doesn't need any deployment as we are already running in the IDE. And here we need to select our specified server, and my server over here is Tomcat. We need to select the server and then we need to click next. And here we have the JSP DB folder, and here we need to click finish. And this is my front end of login page. Here we need to specify the credentials. I'm here giving the credentials to the login page and then click login. And here I'm getting an error, the again 404 error. It specifies that the server cannot find the login servlet.java file, but it is present in the directory as we can see it in the Eclipse. The login servlet.java file is already present in the classes folder within the WebINF within the root folder. But the message displayed in the browser is 404 error that it can't find the login servlet.java file, but I have also created the MySQL database. I would like to show you the MySQL database which I have been created. Firstly, before going to the MySQL, we need to see the database name and the table name which we have configured in the program. In the login servlet.java file, I have specified the MySQL URL of the MySQL, which is MySQL localhost, the port name and the port number, and Apple is the database name. Root are the username and password of the MySQL server. Now I would like to open the MySQL server over here. Here we need to enter the password which is entered. And now let's use the database which I have already created. Yeah, we have the Apple database in the MySQL server. Let's see the tables present in this Apple database. We have only one table which is named as the users. Let's see the content present in the users table. Oh, sorry, there is a spelling mistake in the query. Yeah, this is the table named as user, and it contains of two attributes, user name and the password. As we have seen in the execution time, it has two elements in it, username and password. When we click the login button, it should display the error or success.jsp file. Let's see whether the error or success.jsp files are executed. Yeah, the error.jsp file is executed successfully. And let's see whether the success.jsp files are executed. So basically, the error and success.jsp files are executed, but there is a small problem in connection between the login servlet and the front end. It is resulting in the 404 error. So this is my execution regarding the JSP files using JDBC and presenting a simple login page. I hope you understood it. Thank you.